Saturday morning, December 8th, 9th. Yeah, my dishwasher, this crappy old dishwasher that came with the house, has always kind of been, well, it's kind of scummy. I've done some cleaning, anyways, but it seems like the, that kind of, what is it called, finish, or, I don't know, the stuff is you put in to make glasses dry better, finish, yeah. It's in this thing here. I've never been able to put more than a couple drops in at a time, so I feel like it's clogged. Saw a video like to take it up and take this thing out, so I figured I'll take a look before lunch. I've already taken this piece off. I wasn't going to film it, and then I decided I better get my camera out and try to film it. A bunch of just 6 or 7 screws. You shut the power off, of course, at the breaker, and then I'm going to take a look at this. So this is the main inside plastic face. It's pretty dirty, so I'm going to clean it up if I can with some wipes. And on the inside, of course, it's absolutely gross. Not that anyone would ever open theirs up and clean it, but it's probably 20 years old or something. So yeah, I got to find out what's going on and do a bit of a cleanup job. Where's that? Okay, so that spot for that extra rinse stuff, whatever, is this thing here, and it does look like it comes off. It might not even be totally snapped into place. It might be gaping, as they say, so pretty gross. I'll check it out in a second. Put it down this way, and then just to show you in here, I had to take the knob off from the latch, and then in here, it's also pretty gross. Down there. So if I change the angle of my phone, I could get it in a bit closer. Yeah, this thing's old. This should be replaced. But can't really afford a new dishwasher right now, and don't really feel like doing it. Anyways, lots of grossness down there. I'll vacuum that out, and then give it a little wipe. Stick that back down so it holds better. Little information here, I'll read that in a second. This is the thing that probably releases the trapdoor for the soap. You got a little vent section here. And yeah, anyways, it's kind of basic. But anyways, it needs good cleaning on this side, and then I'll check out this thing over here. I'm gonna pause for a sec while I get my vacuum out, and we'll come back. Okay, we're going again. How's this angle? Not sure if I'll get everything. Let's see if I can go down further. Okay, that's as good as it gets. There's a lot of lime or calcium buildup down at the bottom and stuff that had accumulated. Some crumbs and sesame seeds up in here. You know, I probably should have gotten a scrub brush out and just really go at it, but it's not like I'll see in here. And maybe within a year or so I'll be getting a new one, so I'll just give it a basic. Sometimes the dishes or the cups with cutlery would smell, so I didn't know if it was because the finish thing wasn't working properly, or maybe it is all this stuff that gets heated up every time there's a cycle. It's not like your average homeowner would open up their dishwasher and clean it. Probably most people would replace them before they get too bad, but there's a lot about this house that was never really maintained or cleaned, I found. Not like I have higher standards, I just think people are busy. Don't get to it. myself open on some sharp edge. Just kind of par for the course. Wasn't really planning on cleaning, so wasn't even planning on filming. So I didn't get dressed and all that stuff, but here's an impromptu. Lots of dust there. There's these moisture release or steam or whatever, the release of a hot steam or whatever that come out when in the drying process comes out the front here. And I guess a lot of dust has gotten in over the years, and then there's some sticky crap in there, so it's a little bit mucked up, but not too bad. It's probably time for a new one. Probably have to do the outside now. Wet wipes for babies are awesome for jobs. I get the unscented ones. And this is probably something I should have used a big sponge for, but make sure you turn your power off, folks. You don't want to get a shock on a Saturday morning, long weekend. I probably should put gloves on too, like I say. I end up mangling my fingers a lot of times. Got a bit of rust in there. Alright, take two. I don't think I was filming. So, anyways, yeah, I cleaned out the bottom area here. Using my cell phone on the selfie stick. I usually use my action cam. Anyway, so yeah, cleaned out the bottom here. It was caked on stuff. I don't know if it was lime or calcium deposits, but whitish kind of crap up in there. Kind of gave the backing a bit of a clean. The wires in here. These areas here where the heat escapes during the drying process were pretty gross. So it's not bad. The side here, kind of did along the sides, because again, this stuff had never been really touched in a long time. And yeah, that's it for this part so far. Let that go back up. Yeah, so it gets kind of gross in there. And I'll give it a good cleaning from the outside. Again, I think I lost my filming, but I'm using these baby wipes. They're great little cleaning things on the fly. I probably should have had like a scrub brush in there to scrub out more stuff, but I don't know if I want to bother. I do need to make my lunch in a minute, or 10, or 20. This stuff is all so gross. Okay. Remember to turn off your power at the breaker. I just switched my knob a little bit. This is just an old one, just a timer and this drying cycle option. But yeah, you want to make sure your power's off. You don't want to get electrocuted. So this is like I got a stainless steel fridge, kind of stainless stove, stainless and black. They're IKEA. Off. Maybe it's this Bluetooth thing on my selfie stick. Got the stainless steel matching garbage can, and the owners, I guess they put some sort of a fake stainless steel stick-on thing on the front of part of this base. Maybe that's the way it's made, but they didn't get enough for the bottom, so yeah, definitely weird. And it bubbles in places, so yeah, it's probably just a cover. Anyways, okay, so onto this guy here. here. I will see if I can get my tripod set up and clean that. Sorry for the choppiness, I'll try to cut that out. Actually, not really anything to vacuum in there. It's probably just a bunch of stuff to clean up. Again, this is going to be on the inside, so it's not like it has to be clean. I got an issue with my phone cam. It keeps stopping on me. I just didn't want to go get the action cam with gear all out. Phone was handy. Oh shit! I broke that. Again, everything I do, you think it's going to be like a 5-10 minute job, and we're spending an hour or 3. Okay. What's the story? Okay, so my cell phone camera keeps on cacking out on me. I did manage to get this unit off. This is the thing that holds the finish. Cleaned up around there, so I'll clean up this. A little bit of crap in there. It's not too bad. It's the inside that I got to figure out. I can hear stuff, so maybe a whole bunch of hot water for a while. I don't know if I can get this off. There's something in there. Probably, yeah, it's just dirt. So I'm going to soak it for a while in there. I may be able to pry this apart, I don't know for sure. I don't want to break it. I'm tempted to give it a shot, get a wider spatula, scrape or whatever. It might be that this just has to come off, but I don't think I can get this off easily enough. There's definitely something in there, probably build up, so it's probably totally gummed up. A lot of stuff in this sink. I didn't want to load it in the dishwasher while I was waiting for today to take a look at it. I do have this cool little mini camera that my buddy Al gave me, and the only thing is I have to get my laptop and hook it up. It doesn't seem to be working with my cell phone, and plus my cell phone's been really weird lately. Yeah, so my guess is I should have been able to fill this whole unit up with finish, and there's probably so much buildup. Whatever's in there, that there's no room for anything to go in there. Just add a little bit of hot water. Probably just leave that sit for a while. If it's all like calcified in there, then I don't know how fast anything's going to melt. Definitely stuff banging around in there. If I had some those pipe cleaners, I could get them in there. Just like that. I got the old baby bottle cleaner, but It's just years of that finish solution not getting used properly when tried. Looking, there's definitely a way to open this up. Alright, a couple seconds I'll go get maybe the proper tool. Hang on. Alright, I'm back. I got a couple of different things. One of these sink reamers, a tie wrap, and this. I'll try this first, just in case I can actually open it up. Maybe I'll break it in the meantime. Maybe I'll go for the reamer if it even fits. It's not too big. Tie wrap. Can't break something up. Going in one way. Suppose I could leave it in hot water submersed. Let's see what happens. Give it a while. Take my lunch. Well, it goes in and it goes down a little bit. Probably just coming out the top side there. The water's shaking around more in there, so something's loosening up. Okay. Probably end up reading after being told that, yeah, you should never put water in here. Heavy though. Like I have like the, you know, there's instructions online, but like technically I don't know anything about what's going on inside here. It could be that there's chambers and that's why I can only get in one area. Maybe it's sealed off around the back, so it's not like I can get in from all angles here. I was hoping it was all angles open and I could just somehow break free any crap that's been building up in there. I'm doing something, right? And does this only go so much? I don't want to break it. I'm sure it opens up a, where's it coming out of anyways? I mean, I don't see an opening. I guess it just comes out in here somehow. Yeah, I guess so. This is up on its side, so I'm sure this thing, one way or another, closes it. You think? The water coming out there. End up getting this thing jammed in there, and I'll be screwed. Nope, we got her. Okay. A lot of water swishing around in there now. I know you guys don't really give a damn about the play-by-play. Still getting bubbles, soapy bubbles, so I mean, there's got to be dried finish in there. It's gotta be. Oh, I felt something crystally coming out. I don't know if you can see it from here. There is a lot of crystally stuff coming out. Yeah. Filled up. go to the side, I'm going to break up those pieces somehow. After one, I should probably stop pack lunching when we get back to it. But my hands are already wet and dirty. I just kind of keep on doing this and see if I can get anything with it. More come out. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for a bit. Take my lunch and we'll come back afterwards to see if that's loosened anything up. So you can get a lot more pieces of whatever this is, calcified salts or I don't know. Anyways, I've been able to break them up. I've been putting in some boiling water, getting there. So I'll come back when I get it all cleaned up. Okay, so got this pretty much cleaned out. There's a couple of rocks in there still. I could spend all day and all night trying to get them out, but I've done enough. Let's get this back on, get this back together. Trying to remember exactly how that was. to work. I have to hope I can get the styrofoam pieces to go where they're supposed to go. Good. Hopefully I haven't broken anything. Locking mechanism works. Door opens. So I got this thing now. Let's see if this thing is gonna work. This guy. And I see the holes. Let the solution out, top and bottom, side and side, I guess. I guess I'll fill that and see what happens. Let's see. Long time since I got more than a couple drops in. Would help if I could actually get it in the hole. Okay, well, it's gone down. I mean, obviously I've released some space in there. Looks like it's close to the top there. I guess I'll run an empty load. Let's see what happens. So, the fill line. I mean, how are you supposed to know? The fill line is supposed to be like way down there, right? Is it like your oil? It looks like it's getting there. Anyways, there's a lot more in there than I ever got in there before, so I think I've done something. And maybe when it's working with all the hot water, maybe it'll release whatever other crud is builds up in there. Build it up, built. Okay. Flip the power back on and see if the house doesn't blow up.
Dishwasher. Maybe I will load some stuff in there. See what happens. But it looks good. I mean, it's cleaner now. On the sides. They tightened up nice. A little bit cleaner. There's some, I don't know, paper mildew or whatever. I'll scrub that with a brush at some point. But it's a lot better than it was. Alright, okay, gonna close up for a second. Alright, so I've loaded up a small load, but I'm just going to test it out. I'm not going to use the pod thing. I've just put some detergent there. We'll see if this works, and if it freaks out and starts leaking on me. Gotta go flip the breaker. See if I can grab all the things I had. Trip to the basement. Down to the dungeon. Boom. Right here. Okay. Don't smell or see smoke yet. Beats don't fail me now. Dishwasher don't fail me now. Alright, she's running. It's another project cleaning up down in there. I see cobwebs. Alright, so far so good. I mean, it sounds normal. Should have the seal. Everything I unscrewed is outside of the water. There are things, I don't know. I guess if it was pouring, I might see something coming along down there. Check the basement just to be safe. I think we're good. Get this back out to the garage. Or wait, didn't I want to use that somewhere? I forget. Don't forget to clean your laundry lint traps. Alright, so dishwasher outside of the basement. Lights. Guess it's gonna come into the music room where everything else always leaks. So where is it anyways? It's probably about there. Well, I'm gonna trust that I did what I was supposed to do.